Hi dear students, in this class we are discussing about the integration part 5. So in that integration part 5 we are discussing definite integrals. So in the last class we are discussing about Far's rule, UV rule and whatever the integration part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 is clear. And this is part 5 and one more is there part 6. In the part 6 the properties of definite integral. So first we have to know how to integrate the definite integrals and how to solve the definite integral problems. So first we have to know some basics. If any function is there, integral of f of x, already you know the value of this one. The integration of f of x will be a capital F of x plus c is there. If I take some range, lower range to higher range, a to b, then how to put that these values? These are nothing but the lower range to higher range. First you have to substitute b and minus a. How to substitute that value? That is nothing but f of, you have to replace the x as a b minus f of a. You have to minus and the lower range. First you have to substitute higher range minus lower range, then you will get the f of b minus f of a. This is general form. Then what? How to solve this normal form? Normal means you have to consider any one example. Integration of 1 to 2, range is varying from 1 to 2, x with respect to x. Already you know the integral of x. You know or don't know? I don't know. But the integral of x will be a x square by 2. Clear? So all integration, differentiation, all chapter will be depends on formula only. Clear? So x differentiation will be x integral will be x square by 2 and the range is varying from 2 to 1. So now first you have to substitute higher range minus lower range. So a जगह में 2 square divided by 2 minus 1 जगह 1 square divided by 1. Now 2 square divided by 2 minus 1 square by 1. 1 square by 2. You have to solve this one. 4 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 4 minus 1 whole divided by 2. Then answer will be 3 by 2. Like that you have to solve some questions in the definite integral chapter. Clear? So now see some examples and the formulas of integral. What are the integral? Basic integral bhi chahiye na. So what is the integral of x to the power n with respect to x? X to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. Plus c to sabka hai. So either integration of x is there, then it will be a x square by 2. Integration of e to the power x with respect to is there, e to the power x plus c. And 1 by x is there, then it will be a log x plus c. And if it is any other answers, bole to sin x with respect to x का क्या आएगा? Minus cos x. Like that, integral of cos x with respect to x will be plus sin x. Integral of secant square x will be that is tan x. First you have to know the all integral formula, then only you can solve the integrals. Clear? Normal basic integral. After that you have to substitute the range values. And integral of cosec square x will be a minus cot x. Integral of cot x will be a log of sin x. Because आप इसका डिफरेंशिएशन किया तो क्या मिलेगा? cot x मिलेगा. And integration of tan x will be log sec x or minus log cos x. Clear? And what about integral of sec x with respect to x? It will be a log of sec x plus tan x. And integral of cosec x with respect to x will be a log of cosec x minus cot x. And integral of a to the power x with respect to x will be a to the power x divided by log a. And integral of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square with respect to x is sin inverse x or minus cos inverse x. A cos inverse x को चाहिए तो minus 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. 1 divided by 1 plus x square with respect to x is there, then it is tan inverse x. If it is 1 divided by a square plus x square with respect to x is there, then 1 divided by a tan inverse of x by a आएगा. Clear? Then if sir x जगह में कोई other answer है तो उसका भी constant बाजू आएगा. Clear? So these are the and here it is tan inverse x or minus cot inverse x by a 1 by a. Clear? Here also a minus cot inverse x. Clear? So some formulas are there. So integral of 1 divided by x into x square minus 1 with respect to x is there. Then it will be a sec inverse x or minus cosec inverse x. And some other formulas also there, sin x, cos x, tan x, and all are over. Clear? And integral of e to the power x Integral of x is x square by 2, x square is x cube by 3, and x raised to 4 is there, then x raised to 5 by 5. These are the some formulas you need to know, and you can solve one by one examples. So the first example, so what is the integral 2 to 3 x square with respect to x? What is the integral of x to the power n? X to the power n is nothing but x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now n value is here, the n value is 2. So x to the power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is nothing but x cube divided by 3. x क्यूब है तो क्या हो जाएगा x रेस टू 4 by 4, x रेस टू 4 है तो क्या हो जाएगा x रेस टू 5 divided by x divided by 5, clear? Divided by 5, clear? So these are the some formulas, and you have to apply that formulas here, clear? That is nothing but, so now integral of x square will be, you can write x cube by 3, and the range is varying from 2 to 3. First you have to substitute higher range 3 cube divided by 3 and minus lower range 2 cube divided by 3, that is nothing but 27 divided by 3 minus 8 divided by 3. सर इधर कैंसिल होते ना, 3 1 जा 3 9 जा, ऐसा किया तो वापस एलसीएम लेना ही पड़ेगा ना, तो एलसीएम तो है इधर, तो एलसीएम डिवाइडेड बाय 3, 27 माइनस 8, तो 19 divided by 3, ये आपका आंसर, इजी है ना? So like that here also the integral of x plus 1 minus 1 to 1, and you know the integral of 1 will be the x, in differentiation of 1 will be 0, their difference is there, clear? And minus 1 to 1 is there, integral x plus 1. What is the integral of x? X square by 2. What is the integral of 1? X, and the range is varying from minus 1 to 1. And now substitute 1 first, so 1 square by 2 plus 1, this is higher range, minus lower range minus 1 square divided by 2 plus into minus 1, this is the lower range, clear? So now solve that higher range and lower range, 1 by 2 plus 1 minus, इधर क्या आएगा 1 by 2 पॉजिटिव आएगा ना, minus 1 square is nothing but plus 1, 1 by 2 minus a plus a minus क्या हो जाएगा plus 1. So now plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 get cancelled, 1 plus 1 will be 2, clear up? The integral of this answer will be a 1. Now the next one, this one is the 4x cube minus 5x square plus 6x plus 9. So directly you can write now 4 into, what is the integral of x cube? X raised to 4 divided by 4. 5 as it is. Integral of x square will be x cube by 3, and 6. Integral of x will be x square by 2, and 9 as it is. Integral of 1 क्या हो जाएगा x, and now you need to substitute the range. What are the range? 1 to 2, clear? So now the 4 get cancelled, you have to substitute the higher range. First substitute 2 here, then you will get 2 raised to 4 minus 5 into 2 raised to 3 divided by 3 plus 6 into 2 square divided by 2 plus 9 into 2. This is higher range. Now substitute the lower range. 1 substitute karo in the place of x. 1 raised to 4, 5 into 1 raised to 3 by 3 plus 6 into 1 square by 2 plus 9 into 1. This is the lower range. Now solve it. So 2 raised to 4 will be a 16. And 2 cube will be a 8, so 5 into 8 by 3 d plus 6 square, 2 square 1 cancel, 6 2 जा 12 आएगा plus 9 2 जा 18 minus, इधर भी सेम है ना, 1 to the power 4 will be 1, and 5 into 1 by 3 will be a 5 by 3. Next 6 by 2 बोले तो 2 1 जा 2 3 जा plus 3 plus 9, and now here it is the minus is there. So this minus comes inside, तो क्या हो जाएगा ये वैल्यू 18 से इधर ये वाला माइनस में ही रहता है. So these are all minus. So now 16 and 12, 16, 12, 18, minus 1, minus 3, minus 9 plus this will be a 5 8 of 40 minus 40 by 3 minus minus plus 5 by 3, clear up? So now add these values. 16 plus 12 30, ये वाला 30 हो जाएगा 46, and 46 minus 13, 46 minus 36 कितना हो जाएगा 46 minus 13, that will be a 33 माइनस ये वाला देखो -40/3 and +5/3, तो that will be a 3 minus 40 plus 5 -35 divided by 3. So आप LCM लिया तो 3 into 33 will be a 99 minus 35 divided by 3. So finally we'll get a 100 minus 35 will be a 65. Then you will get a 64 divided by 3. This is your final answer. Clear? And what is the integral of 1 by x, and the range is varying from 1 to e? What is the integral of 1 by x? That is log x, and the range is varying from 1 to e. First substitute the higher range, log e minus log 1, and you know already in the हमारे differentiation किया ना हम logarithm of differentiation and integral by using the logarithm. So in that we have discussed all the properties of logarithm. Logarithm and exponentials are inverse together. Then इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 1. log 1 तो आपका पता है क्या आएगा 0. 1 minus 0 will be a 1. Clear? So simple है, तो difference integration करना, higher range minus lower range वही substitute करना. Now again 1 by x is there and the range is varying from 2 to 3, and you know that is log x and range is varying from 2 to 3, log 3 minus log 2. We know don't know the property log 3 log m minus log m. Formula क्या है log m minus log n, log m by n. ये वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा log 3 by 2. So this is our answer, log of 1.5 का बस. Now e to the power x का इंटीग्रेशन तो आपको पता है e to the power x, and the range is varying from 5 to 4. First substitute 5 as well as 4, then you will get the answer. What is that answer? So here it is. So 4 and 5, e to the power 5 minus e to the power 4. So now e to the power 5 and e to the power 4 ऐसे रखना पड़ेगा, तो कोई कॉमन नहीं है, तो e to the power 4 लेके e minus 1 रखना. Clear? So this is our answer. Now sin 2x, you know already the integral of sin ax with respect to x क्या आएगा minus cos ax differentiation of ax. तो cos sin डब्बा है तो cos डब्बा divided by differentiation of डब्बा, and the differentiation of ax will be a. So now that is also same, the a value is 2. So minus cos 2x divided by 2 and 0 to 5 by 4. You know already the differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x, and the integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2. You have to differentiate this 2x. Now substitute the higher range 2 into 5 by 4 minus divided by 2 and minus cos 2 into 0 whole divided by 2. Now minus outside cos 2 1 za 2 2 za, cos 5 by 2 whole divided by 2, cos 0 divided by 2. So now minus cos 5 by 2 will be 0 minus cos 0 will be 1. So 1 by 2. So minus minus will be plus 1 by 2 आएगा. Clear? So this is your answer. Cos 5 by 2 means what? 0. So 0 by 2 is 0. And minus cos 0 क्या हो जाएगा 1, minus 1 by 2 तो ऐसे रखना पड़ेगा, तो minus minus will be a plus. This is your given answer. And now cos 2x, tan x, cosec x, simple. So what is the integral of cos 2x? Same, sin 2x divided by 2, and the range is varying from 5 by 2. Substitute first wala sin 2 into 5 by 2 whole divided by 2 minus 0 substitute करो, sin 0 divided by 2. So you know 2 to cancel, sin 5 will be 0 and divided by 2 minus sin 0 will be 0 divided by 2. आंसर क्या आएगा 0. So sin 2x divided by 2 रखना, ये वाला 5 by 2 है ना, तो 5 by 2 रखे तो क्या हो जाएगा 2 to cancel, sin 5 बचेगा, sin 5 will be a 0 and minus sin 0, it will be also 0 by 2. Now tan x is there, and you know already what is the integral of tan x? That is log of sec x. Because of I have told you you have to know the integral formulas. So log sec x is varying from 0 to 5 by 4. So now 5 by 4 substitute करो, log of sec 5 by 4 minus log of sec 0. Clear? And you know what is the sec 5 by 4 answer? Because sec 5 by 4 is reverse value of the cos 5 by 4. Cos 5 by 4 means what? 45. Now it will be a root 2 and minus log sec 0 will be a 1, log 1 will be a 0 and log root 2. ये आपका आंसर. I hope it is clear and you can do it. So what is the integral of cosec x? That is nothing but log of cosec x minus cot x. So now cosec x and cot x, x का value 5/4 minus 5/6. Now log of cosec and 5/4. Some of you are doing like that, sir इधर माइनस तो करना है ना, sec cosec का 5/4 करो, इधर ही माइनस 5/6 करो ना, तो आएगा क्या आंसर? ऐसा नहीं आएगा. क्लियर है? तो cosec 5/4 माइनस cot 5/4, ये एक वैल्यू खत्म हुआ अभी पूरा फंक्शन. नाउ माइनस लॉग ऑफ अगेन cosec of 5/6 minus cot of 5/6. You need to know the values. Clear? So now log as it is. What is the cosec 5/4? That is also a sin 45 का है ना उल्टा. That is also a root 2 and cot 5/4 क्या आएगा? That is also a 1. तो आपको पता है. Minus log of what is the cosec 5/6? Cosec 5/6 means what? Sin 30. Cosec 30. 5/6 30. तो cosec 30 is the reverse of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1/2 and cosec 30 is 2. ये वाले क्या आएगा? 2. And cot 5/6. इधर देखो sin tan 5/6 1/√3, cot 5/6 √3. क्लियर है? सो ये आपका आंसर log m minus log n. तो आपका पता है ना log m by n, √2 minus 1 2 minus √3 आपका आंसर. क्लियर? न्यूमेरिकल आप करना ही पड़ेगा. तो हम तो डायरेक्शन बता देंगे आपको कैसे सॉल्व करना है, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला वो बोल सकते हैं आप कैलकुलेशन है ना, आप ही करना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, दैट इज cos square x using trigonometric function. Though what is the inverse trigonometric function formulas are there? Cos square x golden formula है ना, 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2. What is sin square x? 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. So use any one of this one. any one नहीं, यही यूज करना पड़ेगा because sin square है ही नहीं है ना. तो आप sin square का घर में कर दो, sin square of integration of 0 to 5/2. क्लियर है? ये करके आप कमेंट में बता दे बस, 1 minus cos 2x by 2 यूज करके. क्लियर? So now use this one. So 0 to 5/2 तो लिखना ही पड़ेगा. So what is the cos square x? That is nothing but 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 with respect to x. And you know the 1 plus cos 2x divided by 2 है ना, उसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं ना आप. 0 to 5/2, 1/2 with respect to x, 1/2, 0 to 5/2 cos 2x with respect to x. And you know the answer. 1/2 तो बाहर आएगा, x आएगा इसका आंसर, प्लस a भी 1/2 बाहर ही ले दो, 1/2 बाहर ही ले लो. सो आप इधर क्या आएगा इसका 1/2 बाहर लिया तो पूरा खींचना पड़ेगा 1/2. Now what is the integral of 1 x and 1/2 तो बाहर आया. cos 2x का क्या आएगा? sin 2x divided by 2 आएगा. क्लियर? So now substitute the values varying from 0 to 5/2. One time you have to substitute 5/2, another time you have to substitute 0. 1/2 तो बाहर है, तो 5/2 plus sin 2 into 5/2 divided by 2. ये वैल्यू एक बार हुआ, माइनस 0 plus sin 2 into 0 will be 0 divided by 2. Now you know that 2 cancel, sin pi will be 0. This term is going to 0 and this term is also going to 0. 0 plus 0 will be 0. तो इधर से है ना वो 0 ही हो जाएगा. So 2 into क्या हो जाएगा? 4. 5/4 is the answer. Clear? And you know the formula sin inverse of x, because integral of 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square. This will be a sin inverse x and the range is varying from 0 to 1. So sin inverse of 1 minus sin inverse of 0. What is the sin inverse of 1 answer? Sin inverse of 1 will be 5/2, where the function is going to 1 for the sin, that is 5/2. Then sin inverse 0 will be 0. तो इसका आंसर कितना आएगा? 5/2. So I hope these are you are understanding this all answers. And now dx divided by 1 plus x square. Integral of 1 divided by 1 plus x square with respect to x. इसका आंसर क्या है? tan inverse x. सर आप पागल है क्या? ये भी tan inverse लिए है, ये भी tan inverse लिए है. तो इधर देखो ना रेंज क्या है इसका, 1 to √3 है. इसका रेंज क्या है? इसका रेंज क्या है? 0 to 1 है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द इंटीग्रल ऑफ दिस वन विल बी अ tan इनवर्स x तो है बाबा, तो 0 to 1 करना पड़ेगा, तो 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो माइनस 0 करो, tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 माइनस tan इनवर्स ऑफ 0, tan इनवर्स ऑफ 1 तो कब आएगा 5/4, tan इनवर्स ऑफ 0 विल बी 0, तो इसका आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 5/4, दिस इज योर आंसर। एंड 1 to √3 है ना इधर, 1 to √3 dx डिवाइडेड बाय 1 plus x square, दिस इज आल्सो सेम tan इनवर्स x and the range is varying from 1 to √3, पहला √3 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो माइनस tan inverse √3 tan inverse 1, what is the tan inverse √3, that is 60 degree, you know already, 5/3, tan inverse 1 will be 5/4, 60 degree minus 45 डिग्री क्या हो जाएगा, क्या हो जाएगा 60 डिग्री minus 45 डिग्री, that will be a 15 degree, that is 5/12, clear up, this is our answer। and the next one will be x divided by x square minus 1, so range is varying from 2 to 3 and here also 4 plus 9x है ना, so that is also very important question for the tan inverse। now this is x square minus 1, use the substitution method, so substitute कुछ substitute करना पड़ेगा, x square minus 1 equal to 2 and इसका डिफरेंशिएशन भी करना पड़ेगा, 2x dx is equal to dt, बट आपके पास 2x dx है ही नहीं, तो आपके पास सिर्फ x dx है, तो इधर क्या है आपके पास x dx है, तो आपके पास क्या है x dx का ले लो, x dx is equal to dt divided by 2, now substitute x dx as dt by 2 and substitute x square minus 1 as a t, that will be, it becomes 2 to 3 x dx as a dt by 2 and it will be 1 by t, so 1/2 तो कॉमन आएगा, 1/t dt का आंसर क्या हो जाएगा log t and range is varying from 2 to 3 and what is the value of t, that is nothing but log 2 x square minus 1, log t का वैल्यू है, तो range is varying from 2 to 3, now substitute 3 and as well as 1, 3 square minus 1 minus 2 square minus 1, इसका आप करके बोलते क्या कमेंट में बोल दीजिए इसका आंसर क्या आएगा, क्लियर, सो विल गेट द फाइनल आंसर, सो m माइनस n आएगा डिवाइड बाय m डिवाइड बाय n ले सकते हैं आप। ये देखो कैसे लग रहा है आपको 0 to 2/3, इधर थोड़ा सा किसका तो स्क्वायर है ना वो a स्क्वायर, एंड दिस इज आल्सो सम 9 into x, 9 into x इज लाइक अ bx स्क्वायर और bx होल स्क्वायर, ऐसा है तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा, ऐसा है तो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर है तो क्या आ जाएगा आपका आंसर tan इनवर्स ऑफ x by 1 into 1/1, x का बाजू क्या है बाबा, आई एम डिराइविंग अ न्यू इक्वेशन, सो 1 प्लस x स्क्वायर है tan इनवर्स x आएगा, क्लियर आ, सो जस्ट इमेजिन इधर क्या है 1, दैट इज ऑलरेडी हियर, क्लियर आ, एंड आल्सो हियर 1/1 बोले तो 1/1 ही होगा ना, तो ये x स्क्वायर के बाजू क्या है वो भी 1 है, तो इसका बाजू क्या है 1/1, तो ऐसा आप रखना पड़ेगा, tan इनवर्स ऑफ, ये फॉर्मूला पता है ना आपको, a स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा tan इनवर्स ऑफ x बाय a इंटू 1/a, क्लियर आ, इफ इट इज bx होल स्क्वायर है तो लाइक ऐसा है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, सेम है ना 1/a 1/b tan इनवर्स ऑफ bx डिवाइडेड बाय ये रखना पड़ेगा, ऐसे क्यों सर, ये b किधर से आया, ये भी है ना, इसका डिफरेंशिएशन करो ना bx का तो क्या आएगा b आएगा, वी नो द फॉर्मूला, डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ साइन डब्बा क्या आएगा cos डब्बा इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ डब्बा आएगा, एंड इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ साइन डब्बा क्या हो जाएगा माइनस cos डब्बा डिवाइडेड बाय डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ डब्बा, यू नीड टू डिफरेंशिएट इन द डिनोमिनेटर फॉर इंटीग्रल एंड इन द differentiation numerator, why like that sir, because the function directly changing in the differentiation, in inverse in integration में क्या हो जाता है inversely, so you have to take in the denominator, balancing that equation, so I hope you got this one, so here you can solve it by using this one, so this formula you have to remember, so याद करना पड़ेगा, now what is the a value and what is the b value either, so you have to focus on that and you have to catch it out, so what is that a and b value here, so a value will be 2 and b value will be 3, so this is the main value, we have to take the 0 to 2/3 dx divided by 2 square plus 3x whole square, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा 1/2 1/3 tan inverse of 3x by 2, इसका रेंज क्या है 0 to 2/3 है, इसका रेंज क्या है 0 to 2/3। अभी आप 1/2 1/3 है ना 1/6 हो जाएगा एंड tan इनवर्स ऑफ 3 into what is the x value 2/3 whole by 2 and now minus tan इनवर्स ऑफ 3/2 into 0, 3/2 into 0 किया तो 0 हो जाएगा, पूरा 0 हो जाएगा, वे vanishes and 1/6 and tan inverse of 3 cancel 2 cancel, तो tan inverse of 1 will be 5/4, 6 4 जा कितना हो जाएगा 24, clear? This is your answer. So I hope everything is clear and some examples also there. 2 sec square x plus x cube plus 2, just you need to know the formulas. 2 outside, what is the integral of sec square x? Tan x, and x cube का क्या है x raised to 4, 2s 1 का क्या है x, रेंज क्या है 0 to 5/4, एक बार 5/4 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो माइनस 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, 2 tan 5/4 प्लस एंड 5/4 raised to 4 divided by 4, 2 into 5/4 माइनस आप इसमें 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो 0, ये वाला भी 0, ये वाला भी 0 हो जाएगा। सो अभी इधर 2 tan 5/4, tan 5/4 इज 1 एंड ये वाला 5/4 टू द पावर 4 करना पड़ेगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा 5/4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4/5, 4/4 डिवाइडेड बाय 4/1 है ना, इसलिए 2 1 जा 2 2 जा, तो ये आंसर क्या हो जाएगा 5/2। आप सॉल्व कर दीजिए इसका फर्दर, क्लियर? 5 का कॉमन ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो, क्लियर? एंड द नेक्स्ट वन sin square x/2 minus cos square x/2, you should be know the formula cos 2x in terms of cos and sin, cos 2x in terms of cos x, cos 2x in terms of sin x, cos 2x in terms of tan x, cos 2x in terms of both cos and sin, that is nothing but cos square x minus sin square x। इधर 2x है तो इधर x आएगा, इधर x है तो क्या हो जाएगा cos square x minus sin square x divided by 2। सर ये इसका यही नहीं ना, लिंक ही नहीं है ना, तो लिंक क्या चाहिए आपको, इसमें माइनस कॉमन ले लो, क्या हो जाएगा sin square x/2 minus cos square x/2, this is nothing but this only ना। so now minus sin square x/2 minus cos square x/2, you can write it as a cos square x/2 minus sin square x/2, ये दोनों इधर है ना, तो ये वाला आप क्या करना पड़ेगा, बस इधर 0 to 5 माइनस मल्टीप्लाई करना, माइनस मल्टीप्लाई किया तो माइनस बाहर आएगा, तो cos square x/2 minus sin square x/2 with respect to x। नाउ cos 2x फॉर्मूला में क्या हो जाएगा, ये वाला cos x, तो माइनस बाहर 0 to 5 cos x with respect to x, माइनस बाहर, what is the integral of cos x? that is plus sin x with respect to 0 to 5, तो आपको पता है ना, ये वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, ये वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, आंसर क्या आएगा 0 ही आएगा, तो माइनस sin 5 minus sin 0, sin 5 will be 0 and sin 0 is also 0, clear? I hope it is clear. So whatever the formula is there, you have to remember, so this is clear। so next x into e to the power x square, ये वाला आप करते क्या, मार्च 2018 को आया था ये वाला, x into e to the power x square, there are two function, what are those, x into e to the power x square, आप ऐसा भी कर सकते, x square को t सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते, then 2x into dx को dt कर सकते, और x into dx को dt/2, एक वैल्यू आपका आया, x dx का क्या कर सकते आप, x dx का dt/2 सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते, एंड e to the power x square है ना, x square का t सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते, तो now this value will also changes ना, 1 minute, so whenever you are changing this value also changes, substitution method 1 minute, so इधर x square minus 1 equal to t सब्स्टिट्यूट किया, then तो t का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, x का वैल्यू 2 to 3 होता है, तो आप x is equal to 2 है तो t equal to कितना हो जाएगा 4 minus 1, it will be 3, क्लियर? x equal to 2 है तो t is equal to 3 आएगा, एंड x is equal to 3 है तो x equal to 3 है तो वैल्यू क्या आएगा 3 square minus 1, 3 square minus 1 will be 8, then t value will be 8, you have to substitute here 3 and 8, that is nothing but log t है ना इधर से, तो log t will you can take 3 to 8, and here also you have to take, here it is correct, x square minus 1 किया वापस 2 to 3 किया, again that answer will be 8 आएगा minus 3 आएगा, वही 4 minus 1 किया तो वही आएगा, सो हियर इट इज करेक्ट। क्लियर है? इधर से आप क्या करना पड़ेगा, सो यही लिखो आप, चलता है। t का वैल्यू रिप्लेस किया तो x का वैल्यू भी रिप्लेस किया, तो ऐसे आप इधर लिखना पड़ेगा बस 3 to 8, ये भी 3 to 8, बट आपका आंसर तो यही 2 to 3। सो यू जस्ट यू नीड टू notice here. So what is the x value here? x value 0 है ना, लोअर। सो x value 0 तो t वैल्यू क्या आएगा, वो भी 0 आएगा। x वैल्यू x स्क्वायर इक्वल टू है ना, बस x वैल्यू 1 है तो t वैल्यू भी क्या आएगा, 1 ही आएगा, बिकॉज t इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर है। क्लियर है? नाउ द रेंज विल बी सेम, that is 0 to 1 e to the power t dt by 2. So 1 by 2 as it is, e to the power t आएगा ना, integration of e to the power t with respect to t will be e to the power t, and 0 to 1 एक बार e to the power 1, एक बार e to the power 0, e to the power 0 तो आपको पता है 1। so this is your answer। clear? I hope everything is clear। so here some tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square is there। here also same substitution method। so substitute, इसमें क्या substitute कर सकते हैं आप, फर्स्ट substitute tan इनवर्स x इज इक्वल टू t, तो ये वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा, 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर dx इज इक्वल टू dt, ये तो है ना इधर। सो दैट इज नथिंग बट dx डिवाइडेड बाय 1 प्लस 1 एक्स स्क्वायर इज देयर ऑलरेडी, तो इसका क्या आएगा dt। सो अभी आप ध्यान से देखो, x वैल्यू लोअर रेंज 0 है ना, ये वैल्यू, सो ये वैल्यू 0 है, तो x वैल्यू 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो t वैल्यू क्या आएगा, t वैल्यू विल बी tan इनवर्स ऑफ 0 क्या आएगा, t इज इक्वल टू tan इनवर्स ऑफ 0, that is also 0। if x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1, then t value क्या हो जाएगा, t value tan inverse of 1, tan inverse of 1 will be 5/4। this is the ranges। clear? so just write down the ranges, the 1 to 5/4, sorry 0 to 5/4, 0 to 5/4, if dx by dt is 1 plus x square will be a dt and a tan inverse will be a t। आंसर क्या आएगा, टी स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस सी, सॉरी सी नहीं है इधर, सो ई स्क्वायर टी स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 2 एंड योर रेंजेस आर वेरिंग फ्रॉम 0 to 5/4। नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज, टी स्क्वायर 5/4 होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 2 एंड माइनस 0 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 2। सो 5/4 स्क्वायर क्या हो जाएगा, 5 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 4 स्क्वायर 16 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, तो 5 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाई 32 आएगा, बस आपका आंसर। तो आप वापस ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, व्हाट इज t tan इनवर्स x होल स्क्वायर एंड 0 to 1 आएगा, बस आंसर। क्लियर? सो यू हैव टू रिप्लेस द वैल्यू। आई होप यू कैन डू इट। 1 प्लस cos square x एंड sin x इज देयर, यू कैन डू इट एंड वट एवर द आंसर आते हैं ना वो देखो। सो 1 प्लस cos square x का सब्स्टिट्यूट करते क्या देखो, sin x का करते क्या देखो, वट एवर यू कैन substitute accordingly the values and you will get the ranges also। clear? so I hope everything is clear। Thanks for